treatment of rollovers to Roth IRAs and account.
So, Lee, under current law, contributions to Roths have income limitations. You can't contribute to a Roth IRA if your income is too high, and so for 2021, 125,000 to 140,000. Once you're over 140, if you're single, you can't contribute to a Roth, and so you can contribute to a non-deductible IRA if you wanted to. And so what did people do? Well, prior to 2010, there were limitations on Roth conversions. If you made, I think it was $100,000 modified AGI, which didn't include the amount you're converting, you weren't allowed to do a Roth conversion. But starting 2010, 2011, you could Roth conversions were for everybody. Anyone could do a Roth conversion. No income limit. So what you do is you'd fund your IRA, your non-deductible IRA, and then do a Roth conversion. So it was I called it a backdoor Roth. That was my term that I used, and it was an interesting loophole that has been around forever. So essentially, what this legislation is going to do is cancel that.
Yeah, eliminate the backdoor.
Eliminate the backdoor,
which
yeah.
is very popular among some people. So extremely. Okay, let's take a look at the next one, which
slide here
deals with the same subject.
Yes, this is it. Well, this is talking about the backdoor here,
right.
And this just is showing it provide. So this elimination of this technique will apply starting next year, and it prohibits all employee after-tax contributions and qualified plans, and prohibits after-tax IRA contributions from being converted to Roth regardless of income level, effective for distributions, transfers, and contributions made after December 31, 2021.
Well, mega rich backdoor IRA strategies may backfire if the new bill does pass. And while it's usually true that the rich get richer, a proposed tax code would prove remarkable exception if the House has its way, but the horse has to get through the Senate as well. So
I always wondered why this was in there. I mean, this to me was a silly loophole. I mean, it was too easy. So possibly just closing a loophole. This might have a good chance of passing, in my opinion.
Well, I also wondered why they ever put the limit on it, since they was able to do the backdoor. So
right.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay. Well, I'll move on to the next one here.
Sure.